Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best magnetic hinges and handles for garage doors, the Household Essentials Garage Handle and Hinge Magnets. If you're looking for an easy way to upgrade the look of your steel garage door without any hassle or permanent changes, this set of decorative magnetic hardware might just be the perfect solution for you. This product comes as a set of 6 pieces, 2 carriage-style handles and 4 hinges. They're designed to attach quickly and easily to steel garage doors using strong magnets, so there's no need for drilling, tools, or any permanent modifications. This means you can upgrade the appearance of your garage door without worrying about voiding warranties or damaging the door surface. The magnets are made from durable steel combined with weather-resistant plastic that's UV protected. This ensures that these accents won't rust, discolor, or degrade over time, even when exposed to sun, rain, or snow. So whether you live in a harsh climate or a more moderate one, these magnets are built to last and maintain their fresh, decorative appearance. In terms of size, the hinges measure approximately 15.37 inches long and 2.38 inches wide, providing a realistic and proportional look to your door. The handles are 9.5 inches long and just under 2 inches wide, fitting nicely on most standard garage doors and giving that classic carriage house feel. The depth of these magnets is slim enough to stay flush with the door, so they won't get in the way or look bulky. One of the best features is the simplicity of installation. Since these hinges and handles attach magnetically, you can position them exactly where you want and move them if needed. This flexibility also means they're ideal for renters or anyone who might want a temporary aesthetic upgrade. You can add a charming, vintage-style accent without committing to a permanent fixture. Before purchasing, it's important to make sure your garage door is compatible. These magnets work best on steel surfaces, so it's a good idea to do a quick magnet test with a refrigerator magnet or similar to confirm. If the magnet sticks firmly, these decorative accents should work perfectly. Besides the classic black finish, the set offers a clean and modern look that complements almost any home exterior style, enhancing curb appeal effortlessly. They offer a tasteful balance between subtlety and style, giving your garage door a fresh, elegant upgrade that looks custom-made. Overall, the Household Essentials Garage Handle and Hinge Magnets provide a fantastic way to improve the look of your garage door with minimal effort, no tools, and no permanent changes. They combine durability, ease of use, and style in one affordable package, making them a great choice for anyone wanting a quick facelift for their garage. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.